It's operational actually as the aircraft's operator for all of that time. Four-engined.
It's very quiet, isn't it?
The US hadn't entered World War II, of course, as of 1940. It only did so after the Japanese attack on Pearl Harbor in December of 1941. It was with the Royal Air Force that the initial wartime experience of the B-17 came. It showed that the aircraft needed a bigger bomb load, more defensive armament, and better bomb aiming equipment, amongst other things. Given all that history, no wonder Sally B is so cherished. It acts as a flying memorial to the around 79,000 Allied airmen killed in the European theatre, 27,000 of whom belong to the 8th Air Force alone. And it recalls in particular the huge numbers of 8th Air Force heavy bombers, not just the B-17s, but also the B-24 Liberators that flew from East Anglia between 1942 and 45. The aircraft's operator, Ellie Sallingbow, calls this aeroplane a living piece of our national heritage, one that must be preserved for the enjoyment and education of